Hey Paul, I just want to run over this DMX really quickly for you to show you how you can test the system on your own. This here is the control board, the DJ board, DMX controller, and right now it's turned on. We want to make sure it's up here. We're on channel 1 and on page A, and so the page is controlled by this over here. And I just have a motor hooked up, this big DC motor. Then here's our control box, and I had to make an adapter. This is a 3-wire coming out of the back of the box down here through my cable, and it's a 3-wire, but we've got a 5-wire input, so I kind of rigged up a little 3-pin connector because we're only using 3 of the pins. And then here are the 8 cords, 4 on one side, 4 on the other. And right now I'm just running up here. I've got an extension cord, so we'll send these. Once I know the lengths you need, we can get you those made for you. And then again, I'm just plugging into the 2 connectors in the top. We're not using the middle pin. Reversing these will run the motor in an opposite direction. And so with the board, I'm going to use these 2. I'm set to channel 1 inside the address box inside of this. Channel 1 controls this channel when I'm on page 1. So channel 1, when I move it up and down, it doesn't do anything. And so we're using 2 channels on the controller. The first channel, you'll notice it'll start to make a noise when we're above halfway. It's going to make this noise, and that's just turning on. Anything above halfway on channel 2 will turn on the control board inside of here. And then over here you'll see the motor at the midpoint of the slider. It doesn't do anything, it's off. Moving it, sliding it up, you see the motor accelerate. I'm going to slide it back down. When I hit the halfway point, it stops. And then coming down, I continue to slide down, and you can see it's speeding up. And so full speed, counterclockwise, be all the way down. I stop. That takes me full speed clockwise. And again, you can change direction by wiring these separately on each of the motors. So hopefully that'll help you.